In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a link on image in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here this image and I'd like to go ahead and add a link of a PDF document to be attached to this booklet image. To do so, it is quite simple. First, go to Google Drive and then enter my drive, find and see if the PDF document that you want to link to is available if you want to add a PDF. However, should you find that it's not available, just go and locate your PDF file and then just drag and drop it here and it will be added. So let me replace this and you can see the upload is done and here we go, it has been added. Now to grab the link, head over to this ellipsis and then click on share and you have here the option copy link. And now if you go ahead and open your slide, click on the image you want to add the link and now head over to insert link here and go ahead and paste the link for your PDF document and then apply and you can see the link has been added. Now if I go ahead and click on the image, you can see it will display the link from which I can just click and head to the website or to the PDF document that I attached. Now in some cases you may want to go ahead and attach just a link on the image. So let me first remove this link. And now here we are going to attach a link from this website. So I'll go first and copy this link using Ctrl+C on my computer and then head over to this image. And again, once I have clicked on it, I'll go to this insert link icon and click on it. Then paste here the link that I want to add and click on apply. Now you can see the link has been applied here and should I click on it, it will take me to this website. So that's how you can add links or even a document on images in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.